If you are planning to start a society or you already are a part of one, then you must have knowledge about the registering a society, advantages and the process for the same. A society is an organized group of people in which their main objective is not to earn the profit but to serve the society. They are mainly registered for charitable purpose like relief of poverty, arts, education, music, culture, etc. A society can be registered in two forms like state or national. In case of state, minimum 7 members are necessary, and in case of national, minimum 9 members are necessary. The main advantages of registering a society are it is simple to register, it gives a legal status to the society with certain limitations. No member can have personal rights or interest in any of the assets of the society. A registered society can lease, rent, buy or sell property, borrow money or enter into contracts in its own name. So what are the disadvantages of not registering a society? It doesn't have a legal status. It cannot sue or be sued, as society may exist but not in eyes of law. And lastly, an unregistered society cannot claim benefits under Income Tax Act. So what are the documents required to register a society? First, you have to get the request letter to register a society under Society Registration Act 1860. Next, you have to get the 2 sets of Memorandum of Association, 2 sets of Article of Association. Next, you have to get the affidavit from President or Secretary of the society stating relationship between the subscribers. Next, you have to get the copy of resident proof of all the desirous persons. Lastly, you have to get the address proof of the registered office like water bill, electricity bill, etc. We at Legal Rasta have helped over thousands of companies and societies in their registration. If you want to be one of them, you can just log into our website, that is www.legalrasta.com, and select the society registration. Next, you have to fill our online questionnaire. Select the package, and here you can select additional services like TDS return filing, PAN card registration and pay accordingly. Next, you have to submit online documents to us and we will take care for the rest. Once we are done, we will intimate you, or if you have any query in between the process or you want to track your application, you can freely contact us. I hope this video was helpful to you.